How is going? Today I will be showing you how to extend the prototype of types in JavaScript. This just means to basically add extra functionality to some of the built-in types of or even your own types. Let's go by example. So let's say we have a number called f equals to 140 number. So now let's say we want to convert this into Celsius. We can of course lot of function to Celsius expecting number. So can also extend the prototype of number to basically make this right here, or to say to Celsius. So number dot prototype dot to Celsius equals to function this right here extend the number type to add this function inside here. Now we can do the logic, so we can return this minus 32 into 5 divided by 9. This keyword refer to the number you are currently on, if that makes sense. So in this case right here, this refers to 140 because 140 is the value of f. So this is basically just a wildcard for the number you currently want. So now this perfectly valid in. So if we alert this in browser, I'm gonna save this and I'm gonna refresh this. This referred to 60 is 140 degrees Fahrenheit converted for Celsius using a prototype extension. You can of course do the same thing but for string dot prototype dot your function name, etc. is the same thing. So have a play experiment and you can discover some pretty cool stuff you can do with this. Obviously just be careful, you don't want to just define a bunch of function, but there's a better way to do it, but in certain cases this might be very useful. So give it a go and experiment and discover something. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.